magiging ating singer ngayon. Siya po ay isang second-hand Serena. Atin po pakinggan ang Broken with Matching MTV.
Your face is closed like a thousand diamonds, I suppose. And your hair flows like the ocean breeze. Not a million fights could make me hate you. You're invincible, yeah, it's true. And in your eyes, where I find peace. Is it broken? Can we work it out? Let's find up and down, scream out loud. Is it broken? Can we work it out? I can see in your eyes.